guys, today we're going to learn how to delete unwanted files from our PC or laptop. It's so simple. Just watch the video, pay much attention, and then follow the steps I'm about to go through. So first of all, you can press Window key on the keyboard plus R to bring you the run command, or you can go to the start screen and then you search for run there. Run. So there's it. Tap on it to open the run command. So first of all, type in prefetch. Tap on OK. Click on continue. Wait for a while. Yeah. So this is it. All these things are unwanted files. So see. So it's 277 items selected. All these are unwanted files. So you highlight it by pressing Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, and then you hold Shift on your keyboard, and then right click and then press delete to delete all the files permanently. They are all gone. You can skip this. Good. And then you come there again, search for run. In here, type in temp. That's T-E-M-P. Tap on OK. All these things here are unwanted files. So you press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard to highlight all these files. And then hold Shift on your keyboard, right click on it, and then hit on delete to delete all of them permanently. Wait for it. You can skip all these things. Here, deleting. So US hide it and then go to the next keyword. So go to start screen and then search for run again. Hit on OK. Come here. In here we have the percentage sign. You bring it up by holding it, pressing Shift plus 5 on your keyboard. So these two come into the middle, and then you type in temp. Hit on OK. Wait for it. It's loading. Yeah. There we go. There we go. All these files are unwanted files. We don't need them. The same steps. Control plus A, Shift plus delete. Boom. Hit on yes. So wait for it. in here, skip it. Yeah, let's wait for it. It's downloading. And please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, the files are too many, so it's deleting. Yeah. Okay. So let's go in here. See all these stuff through they are unwanted. So we press Control plus A on your keyboard, and then hit Shift plus, then right click on your mouse to bring up the contrast menu to select delete on your key. Delete. So yes. Continue. See all of them disappeared. So that's all for the video. Please do well to subscribe. Thank you.